Hey folks, thanks for joining us today. Today we are making some venison ribs. I harvested this young buck yesterday. This is usually a piece of meat, or the ribs that most hunters discard. They don't even keep it. But we're gonna smoke it today and see how it comes out. I've already started dry rubbing it, so I'm gonna keep adding my dry rub on it. If you want something less gamey, you might want to soak it in buttermilk for at least a few hours or overnight even, but I kind of like the gaminess, so we are gonna make sure we got this rub all the way in. All right. Put these tidbits on the lower rack. Set it for 55 minutes. All right, folks, our barbecue is done. Okay guys, so our ribs are done. Let it sit for a little bit. You can tell how tender it is. It just pulls apart. Still very moist, very juicy. Venison's a little stringy and lean, but that's expected. So yeah, bon appetit, enjoy.